So this is going to be the first aspect of just the two of us that I'm going to be focusing on. And it comes right after the intro. It's the B section. And if you want to follow along, it sounds kind of like this.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us.
And so what we've got here is our first chord, which is a 6-7 chord, and we're in F minor, and that leads us into a C7 chord, which is our 5, and then to a 1 chord. And this kind of reminds me of the 2-5-1 progression, which is commonly used in jazz, and I'm not sure why, but they decided to use a 6 chord here, and even though they used a 6 chord, it almost reminds me of a 2-5-1. After that, after our 1, we go into a 2-7 of 6, which is our secondary dominant. And then from there, we go to a 5-7 of 6, which is the 5 of D flat. And then we end up back to our 6-7, which is D flat again. So we have those, we almost go to a different key, and then we land back in our key of F minor, but we end on that imaginary keys chord. Then after that, we go to a C7 chord, and then a 1, and then this just keeps repeating. 6-7 to 5 to 1. We've got some embellishments over here. It's not the same as up here. And then it does it again. 6-7, 5-7, 1. And that's the end of our intro.